Alright, what's up my gang? Today we have a very special video. We're doing a collaboration with Cana's from Cana's World, and he's gonna introduce himself right here.
My name is Cana. I do travel vlog, mainly for food. All my videos are about food, so definitely come and check it out.
Today we're at Taqueria Dos Potrillos. We're in the IE, a little bit different from what you guys are used to, but Cana is from here, and we are going to try some tacos here. See this?
And those of you guys that know me know that I'm allergic to cilantro, so there is no greens on mine.
No greens. I got the 3 carne asadas because I'm a carnivore. I think that's the best meat here, so that's what I got. What'd you got?
I got carne asada, of course, as you did. I got the birria right in the middle, and then the carnitas on the side.
And the reason why we chose this place is, if you guys don't know, I feel like this is one of the best, not the best, taquerias in the IE. This one is in Corona. They just built a new one in Riverside, but yeah, this is my go-to when I'm in the Inland Empire, Corona to be exact, to get some really bomb tacos. I'm about to try it. Look at this goodness right here.
Fresh made tortillas.
Yep, fresh made tortillas. There's a lot of texture to it. I'm holding it. It's really thick. It smells delicious. I'm gonna try it.
Cheers.
The thing I love about this place is, first of all, everything's fresh, and they don't discount you with the meat. Look at this. They're about like $1.50 each, right? About $1.50 each, very fair price, and they really pack the tortilla with meat, you guys.
Everything is generous here. They don't skimp out. It's not like a measuring cup that they use or anything like that. It's literally by hand. The onions, the cilantro, the sauces are on the side for you to get on your own. This is has to be the top 5 taquerias that I know about, period. Like through IE, through LA, through food trucks, this has to be top 5, both for quality of food and how generous they are. And the menu, got the menu.
There's a lot
everything.
of menu.
There you go.
So I don't know if you guys can see the flour tortillas.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice, thick, fluffy, nice and fluffy.
And then on top of that, they have agua fresca.
They have a nice selection of drinks.
Yeah, and they make it fresh here. There's ladies in the back always making it consistently.
So I usually get pastor here. The pastor is really good too, but I was just feeling carne asada today, guys. So yeah, my favorite meat here is the go-to. It's not too fatty, nice and juicy. Very well marinated, not too salty, not too bland.
The carnitas here is very, like the fat is rendered perfectly. The meat is caramelized enough that.
My girlfriend really likes the carnitas here.
Oh, yeah.
That's her go-to.
A lot of places when you go, you get either a chunk that's too dry, overcooked, not caramelized enough, but here, every single bite is juicy.
Some high quality tacos right here.
So the birria, not a lot of places have birria.
Is that a goat or is that a beef?
This one I think is a goat, but a lot of places will use the
Is it goat?
steak. I believe so, yeah.
Oh yeah, goat is how birria is supposed to be made.
Too good.
We just had a quick lunch, you know, and it was pretty delicious. Like I said, the best taqueria in the IE that I've tried.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know where your favorite taqueria place is. Yeah,
if you guys want to see more food vlogs, like Cana said, like this video, comment where you guys want us to go next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. And also check out the link down below to Cana's channel. I'm gonna put it down there and give him some love. Alright, deuces.